Welcome, DIY enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to walk you through some common home repairs that you can do yourself. We'll be tackling a variety of tasks, from the minor nuisance of a leaky faucet to the slightly more complex job of repairing nail holes in your walls. This guide is designed to help you handle these issues with confidence and ease. So get your toolbox ready, roll up your sleeves, and let's dive into the world of home maintenance and repair. Our first task on the list, fixing a leaky faucet. Stay tuned. First on the agenda, tackling the problem of a leaky faucet. This nuisance not only leads to water wastage, but can also be the reason for your sleepless nights. To begin with, you'll need a set of basic tools including a screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and a replacement washer. Remember, safety first. Ensure you're wearing a pair of rubber gloves to protect your hands and safety goggles to protect your eyes from any unexpected splashes or debris. Start by locating and shutting off the water supply to prevent any unwanted accidents. Now, remove the handle of the faucet using your screwdriver. Next, with your adjustable wrench, remove the packing nut, unveiling the stem. Take that off as well, and you will be greeted by the washer. If the washer appears damaged or worn out, that's likely the source of your problem. Replace the worn-out washer with the new one, then reassemble the faucet. And there you have it, a quiet, drip-free faucet. Next, we're moving on to address those ugly water stains marring your ceiling. Begin by identifying the source of the leak. Look for signs of dampness, discolored patches, or mold on your ceiling or walls. Also, check any obvious sources like a leaking roof or faulty plumbing. Remember, simply painting over a stain while the leakage persists is a fruitless endeavor. Once you've patched the leak, it's time to reach for a stain-blocking primer. Opt for an oil-based primer or a latex primer with stain-blocking characteristics for optimum. After the primer has thoroughly dried, you're ready to cover it with paint. The paint, choose a latex or oil-based paint that matches your ceiling color. It's crucial to blend this new paint with the existing ceiling color for a seamless, undetectable repair. Caulking, though frequently underestimated, plays a crucial role in maintaining your household. Neglected or worn-out caulking can pave the way for severe water damage. To replace caulking, first step involves scraping the old caulk away using a utility knife. However, before you jump into this, you should know that there are various types of caulk available in the market. The two main types are silicone and acrylic latex. Silicone caulk is waterproof, flexible, and long-lasting, making it suitable for areas exposed to a lot of moisture like your bathroom or kitchen. On the other hand, acrylic latex, often referred to as caulk, is easy to clean, paintable, and best used for filling gaps in interior walls before painting. Now, depending on your needs, you should choose the right kind of, once you've made your choice, proceed to clean the area where the old caulk was, and apply a new bead of your chosen caulk. Smooth it out using a caulk tool or even your finger and you've successfully replaced your caulk. Now, we're going to tackle the garbage disposal. Often, this appliance can get jammed due to various reasons. The most common foreign objects like bones, fruit pits, or non-food items accidentally falling into it. Another cause can be overloading the disposal with too much waste at once or not using enough water to flush the system. To avoid these jams, be mindful of what you're putting into the disposal and try to run it regularly to prevent any buildup of. If you do find that it's jammed, the first step is to turn off the power to ensure safety. Then, you'll need to insert a hex wrench into the hole located at the bottom of disposal unit. Work the wrench back and forth until it eventually moves freely. Once you've accomplished this, your disposal should be free of blockages. Drafty doors and windows can significantly hike up your energy costs. A practical solution to this is weather stripping. By insulating your doors and windows using this process, you can not only maintain a comfortable temperature in your home, but also save on those hefty energy bills. Plus, weather stripping is an environmentally friendly solution, reducing your overall carbon footprint. There are various types of weather stripping available to tailor-fit your needs. Some popular options include tension seal or V-strip that is durable and effective for sliding or double-hung windows. There's also adhesive back tape that is easy to install and works well for irregularly shaped cracks. Or you could opt for door sweeps that are perfect for sealing the space between the bottom of your door and the threshold. To get started with weather stripping, begin by measuring the perimeters of your doors and windows, then cut the weather stripping of your choice to fit these measurements. Remove the backing from the weather stripping and firmly press place around the frame. With this simple task completed, your home should now be draft-free, energy efficient, and snug as a bug. Regular maintenance of your HVAC system includes the simple task of replacing the filter. Typically, you should replace your HVAC filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on the type of your filter and your living conditions. If you have pets or suffer from allergies, you might want to replace it more often. You can easily do this yourself. Just locate filter, remove the outdated one, and replace it with a new one. Remember to ensure that the arrows on the filter are pointing in the direction of the airflow. Regular replacement of your HVAC filter not only ensures cleaner, healthier air circulating in your home, but it also improves the performance and longevity of your HVAC system, saving you money on potentially expensive repairs down the line. When it comes to plumbing and water damage, they are often interconnected. With minor plumbing issues such as a clogged drain, it's possible to identify them when the is taking noticeably longer to drain, or if there's a backflow of water from drains. In such cases, usually a simple tool like a plunger can be quite effective. By creating a vacuum and then releasing it, the plunger can often dislodge the blockage and get things flowing again. On the other hand, when it comes to water damage, it can be identified by signs like damp spots on walls or ceilings, a musty smell, or peeling wallpaper. If the damage is minor, the first step is to dry the area thoroughly, ideally using fans or dehumidifiers to speed up the process. Once dried, the area can be cleaned using a solution of water and vinegar, which not only cleans but also helps to kill any mold spores, thereby preventing the growth of mold. However, in case of severe damage, professional help may be needed. Repairing nail holes in your walls can be easily accomplished. The first step is to fill the hole with spackling. There are various types of spackling available in the market: lightweight spackling, vinyl spackling, and all-purpose joint compound. Lightweight spackling is easy to work with and is perfect for fixing minor holes and cracks. Vinyl spackling, on the other hand, is a little denser and ideal for more substantial repairs. Lastly, the all-purpose joint compound is a versatile option, suitable for a variety of repair jobs. When choosing spackling for your needs, consider the size and nature of the hole you're with. Once you've picked the right spackling, apply it to the hole using a putty knife. After the application, allow dry, then proceed to sand it down until it's smooth. Cap the process off with a touch of paint, and your wall will look as good as new. In essence, these common household problems, leaky faucets, water stains, worn-out caulking, jammed garbage disposals, drafty doors and windows, HVAC issues, plumbing, water damage, and nail holes, can all be fixed with a bit of DIY spirit. No need to call in the professionals when you have the know-how to do it yourself. So grab your tools and get to fixing. Remember, the key to a successful DIY home repair is being prepared with the right tools. In this bonus scene, we'll quickly run through some essential tools you should have in your DIY toolkit. Starting with the basics, you'll need a hammer, screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips, a set of wrenches, pliers, a utility knife, and a tape measure. For plumbing jobs, a plumber's wrench, plunger, and a drain snake can come in handy. For your electrical repairs, we recommend having wire strippers, a voltage tester, and needle nose pliers. And don't forget safety gear like work gloves and safety glasses. Investing in a good quality cordless drill can also be a game changer for many repairs and home improvement projects. And lastly, a sturdy ladder is a must for reaching those high spots. We hope this list helps you to build a comprehensive DIY toolkit. Remember, being prepared is half the battle. Now you're ready to tackle those home repairs with confidence. Happy fixing!